Guys, so I got interrupted by a phone call from one of my friends from my school. So here's a Casablanca Panama Spirit of Saturn, but it's got a Panama 5 switch housing. Well, the original switch housing got broken in when it went to another when he tried to pack the fan, but then he probably put the new switch on the new switch cap. It's a Panama 5 switch cap. Well, it kind of freaks me out a little bit. Like it looks like not 100% Spirit of Saturn, but it looks more of it with the light kit. So yeah, that is it. There it is. So here goes nothing. Are you ready? I put in the code slowly because I gotta be careful with this board. May need a new board. Well, maybe someone could have done demo mode too fast, and in the original owner could have. When Andrew Wu bought this fan, he could have bought it from somebody else, and maybe they had kids and they tortured it with it too much. Well, this does use an Emerson K55, but it's vented. Well, the ventless ones, I know, are really cool startup line. Well, this one only says startup mode. You can get to speed 6. Well, I don't know if you hear it because the furnace turned on, the oven's on too. So, well, who has a Delta 2 or a Panama with a startup line? I know Tommy has a Panama 5 with a startup line. Well, I found a Delta 2 at my mom's friend's house with startup line. One of them. Not the one with the Emersons. There's another friend of my mom's that has Casablanca, 2 Casablanca fans. It's a Delta 2 and a Panama 5. And that Delta 2 has a cool startup line. Who else has a Delta 2 with the startup line? Cole has a Delta 2 with the startup line, but it's a little more louder. You'd hear it more. It's a Navajo light one. Who else does? Mr. Horsepower 7 School does have a Delta 2 with the startup line. Well, the other one that has a startup line is maybe Vintage Fan Collector. Could have a white and brass one. Jared's trying to call me again. It's my friend from school. It's not Fan Collector Jared. It's a friend of mine. He's just trying to call me again so many times. Well, who else has? Well, Tommy also has a Zephyr, the Snow White Zephyr Classic 3-speed with the cool startup line. Anyways, let's stop the fan. Let's do speed 1. Sometimes the piezo acts up, like one time when it went like da-da, and then I turned it on, and then it went, and I turned it on speed 1, and it went da-da, just like when I tested it in the cave. It went like da-da-da, but then, well, it's fine. Well, then it's okay. I have to wait 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Well, if you just be impatient, like wait like 0.5 seconds, then it might wear out your board a little bit. Well, I may run on speed 6 for a while, but I don't want to mess up the flywheel, so here is speed 2. Well, if I had a Saturn light on this, I would probably turn off the back lights and do demo mode with the back lights off. Or if I had a comfort touch, I would probably put the comfort touch in front of the camera and then press the test button first, and then turn off the lights. Well, sometimes comfort touch can be unresponsive. That's the one problem. 3. I finally wired this thing in successfully. Getting a lot of calls from all my friends. I'm doing a fan video right now. I was just texting from my watch. Well, basically I wired the whole hang true thing in. Well, I did the latch too. Well, I pulled some of the wires out, and I also wired the IntelliTouch successfully. Now I have a complete wired Casablanca fan. The blades are also mounted at the top too. Speed 4. Well, someone's saying, please call me, please. Speed 4. So yeah. It's about speed 4. Here's speed 5. Well, I gotta be careful with those pre-87 Casablancas, because I might worry that it could short the board with those original RM1 boards. Well, they do have flick mode, so maybe I'll do a quick demo with flick mode with the toggle switch and then do the control. If it does come with the control, then I'll probably wait. I think Cole could have tested a 4 Seasons with the RM1 board with a W32. Well, the press button you can't do flick mode. Well, the toggle switch I could do flick mode. Here's speed 5. Now let's go to speed 6. High speed. What the heck? I have to wait 10 seconds now. The Casablanca Venus ceiling fan that Cole has, the first Casablanca Venus fan that Cole had, sometimes the board, sometimes it wouldn't reverse when you do demo mode. It would just, you have to turn it off first and before you do it reverse. But it still did the high-low tones when it did demo mode. Speed 6. I don't want the thing to go doo-dah over and over again. Well, that's one thing about this fan. If you turn it off from speed 5, and then and then sometimes the piezo just quiets, and then it'll just go turn off, then turn back on. It'll just go a chirp. That's the one problem about this fan. Well, when one of my neighbors had a 4 Seasons, and I tried to do demo mode in it, but it wouldn't do it. It wouldn't act up like this one, but it just would sometimes cycle through the speeds, and then I pressed the fan button, try to change the speeds, and then the light button did it. It was wired backwards. Here's off. Reverse. The high-low tone almost sounds like, let's go, ready, let's go. So, what if the Casablanca IntelliTouch fan did that? That'd be pretty cool. I'm making a fan video right now. got a good long spin down on this thing. One must have good bearings. Well, one thing is, yeah, if I want to play on seat 6, I gotta turn it off first. And then turn it back on. It's the one problem. But I should probably try it. Go to speed 6 right away. But if it does that thing again, I'll have to turn it off 10 seconds and then turn it back on. And well, one thing with recalled older hang trues is that sometimes you can't get them out when you take them down. Maybe I could try it with the smooth next. And that is it. Let's do reverse. Speed 1. Does Fanimation have screw-on down rods or no? The watch keeps ringing on me. I don't know why. Well, it rang on me one time when I demonstrated those state and industrials at my school in the fitness center. Because it sometimes thinks I'm working out. Here's speed 2. Has any collectors shorted an IntelliTouch board, but or no? That's my one concern with IntelliTouch. If any collectors have shorted their IntelliTouch boards or not. Here is speed 3. Speed 4. Now it's acting up again. I'll wait 10 seconds. Tommy actually did have a Verde Panama that sometimes acted up. Speed 4. Take 2. Well, one time when he was winterizing the ceiling fans, sometimes the Verde Green Panama 5 wouldn't respond. Because probably need a new board. This may have the same issue. Here is speed 5. Now it finally did it. but it's sometimes interrupted on speed 4 reverse. Hope it doesn't do it with speed 6. So I'd be kind of upset if it did. I wonder why that is. Maybe we could have done it in shipping. I don't know. Now, here is speed 6. Well, the first collector I saw in that had brass and copper Saturn was Brent fan. Whoa, it's wobbling. Better be careful with this speed 6 reverse. Here is I'm gonna wait 10 seconds till it's done. And I'll do safe exit, so I'm ready. Oh, demo mode. I forgot. Wait 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Why does this keep happening? Now I'll try it again. Now it's going to take me 30. This is someone was calling me on the watch. Let's try it again. Then I'll pick a speed to put it on. I'm gonna say speed 2. Here we go. Well, who is this guy? Has a 4 seasons. Well, one time back when you did the first video, he did a safe exit and then you put it on speed 1. Well, this time I'm putting it on speed 2. Because sometimes it's better circulatory speed. Well, it still looks good running on speed 2. Makes it look like the home's occupied if it had the light. But if it's just a fan, then it doesn't make a difference. Wait 10 more seconds till I put it on speed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Speed 5 braking. Here we go. I'm gonna leave it on speed 5. And I think someone could say speed 6, but I'll just do speed 5 because I don't want to stress the flywheel. So yeah, thanks for watching.